Hey guys, so we're at full tilt, getting the alignment done on the Cobra. So James has got the string all set up. So I didn't want to go take it to a dealership and have them, screw around with it. So we're doing it the old-fashioned way with string and boards and tape measures. So we just got it all aligned. I have the steering wheel hopefully straight. Guess we'll find out more once I'm on the road, but from what I can tell, it seems like it's pretty straight, which is good. I was just helping him measure. You want to grab a tape, James? There we go. So we were just measuring. Actually, James, why don't you explain?
Well, once you have your strings squared up to the car, you just have to measure your individual wheels front to back, and then your total toe with the toe plates.
So we basically have it within, what do we have, a 16th?
16th of an inch.
So it's within a 16th of an inch. So total 1/8 inch toe in.
A little less than 1/8 inch, yeah.
Yeah. So that'll be good for us. And so next we're going to be working on brake duct. He's got the ducting, the little bracket that goes on the back of the rotor, and then so we're just going to fish some of this beautiful hose up to that. As you can see, we'll give you a sneak peek. We got new rotors up front. So they're two-piece, was it floating? So two-piece floating versus we had like this. Before we were kind of testing out the budget kit, which was a good bang for the buck. This is lighter than that, which is kind of what we're going for. And it's two-piece, so you got the hat here and then the rotor, and that's bolt together. So that's kind of cool, kind of to match the rear. Got the rears done as well. So now we have the 13-inch rear kit, and then I also have red calipers now to match the front, which is good. So got to break these in before we do any braking tests, but I believe we're going to be doing some more scientific brake comparison, and for science, of course. And so we're gonna get that way you get a better idea of what like a full kit does for a Cobra. So that's exciting. New racks in. Apparently it was a pain in the rear end, so I went with Flaming River, which I had their solid steering shaft before. No problems with that. But I bought their 12-to-1 steering rack. Let's see. We can go underneath here and take a peek at her. So we have that Flaming River rack in there now, which is great. But we had a little bit issues, right?
Yeah, the U-joint from the OEM rack from Flaming River did not fit their rack.
Yeah.
So we had to order a new U-joint.
So they ordered a new U-joint, and then the shaft was too short.
So we had to modify the shaft.
So they had to modify the shaft with some welding.
Just relocate the grease fitting.
So they just relocated the grease fitting. So kind of a bummer there that it wasn't just a bolt together.
And you needed their outer tie rods too.
And we needed their outer tie rods too. The factory ones wouldn't work with it either. So kind of a pain. Hopefully it'll be nice. I'll let you guys know. I'll definitely be doing a review on the rack when it's all done. But definitely not a smooth experience as far as, installation. You would think they would, I don't know. But anyway, so we'll see how that goes. But otherwise the quality looks great and everything. But just a little hiccups there. What's that?
It's a great looking rack.
Yeah, it's a great looking rack. So that was nice. And then he replaced the oil cooler, or rebuilt the oil cooler with new gaskets and everything. So we refilled the O-rings. Yep. And refilled the coolant. So that's all done. So before with the car, I'd drive it and I'd come home and it would just kind of seep coolant out of there. Probably just from the heat and the cold, and those O-rings were just letting coolant get past them. So that should be fixed now. And then other than that, that's pretty much all we're doing today. All right, guys. So the air compressor kicked down at this point, so the audio kind of got ruined. But anyway, here's the hosing, us getting it all hooked up, pulled through, clicked back into place there. But turned out really nice. We did a little zip tying to get the hoses routed correctly so I could turn the wheel lock to lock without rubbing on that hose, which is good. But so we'll see how those turn out. Not sure if it's, I mean, it's really not worth it for the street, but if we ever track the car, it'd be nice to have those just in case. Keep the brakes nice and cool, but we'll see if that'll throw a bunch of crap into the brakes or not. Also had my exhaust hangers replaced. The exhaust, it was super cracked right there. The rubber guys are super cracked. And then I need to re-polish my exhaust, as you can see. It's kind of all scuffed up again. Not scuffed up, but kind of rusty looking. Here are just some other pictures that I took of the Cobra. Got pictures of the rack and the hosing and everything all tidied up there. And then this is the new rotor setup. So it's the two-piece floating, so it's bolt together. And the hat has got full tilt on it, which is kind of cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. I'll definitely be doing some videos of the Cobra here coming soon. I think the weather's going to be pretty lousy for the next week or so. So I'll kind of let you guys know, keep you guys posted what's going on with the Cobra. So alrighty, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.